So what I have here today is my EPA wellness card. This is expired. I have some wall filler right here, and this is the surface I used that was used on my birthday cake just a few days ago. So today I'm here to actually cover up some holes. Some of them are made by nails. So I just use my card to use this as I don't know if it's called a squeegee, something of the sort. So I'll just use this to squeeze the material. I'll clean that up, and I'll cover up every single hole that's on the wall in preparation for the undercoat. So I'll do that first and then apply the undercoat. There are so many holes in the wall. So let me start with mixing. I would rather have it bulge on the outside because I can use sandpaper to lay it down rather than have it do it. Five-star rating. I keep forgetting that the wires are lying. I cooked it for Okay, so this room is a lot more terrible than the other one. You can see the wood is practically breaking down. It's being eaten by termites. I did add a lot of chalk, but basically this whole part was eaten by termites. There are no nails on the walls. The biggest problem with this room is from here. You can go all the way, you can see all this, it's like it was breaking apart. So there's just basically so many holes. It's very much ruined the whole bottom part of the wall. So there's going to be a lot of work here. I will probably need to add a little bit more chalk. Luckily I have more than enough. You can see this big gaping hole here. There's another one here. And they are very large. Let me give you guys a perspective of how large they are. So here's some chalk. See, took that all in, and some more. Still not filled. Some more. And now it's looking a lot better. I'll leave it like that because since it's wet, it can't hold itself. So I'll just wait for it to dry up and then I'll patch it up a bit. But as you can see, I'm almost running out of chalk right now. So it's going to take a lot. I'll have to mix up a lot more chalk. This room is ready for painting. The other room isn't. So the paint isn't, the filler isn't yet dry. So I'll give it probably a day. So I did sweep the other room. I'll just prepare some pieces of paper on the floor to prevent paint from falling onto the floor.